everyone, and welcome back. Today we're making a truly special, crunchy, and sweet snack. Caramelized Jaggery Nendran Bites. This is the authentic way to make this addictive Kerala treat. We'll start with 3 firm Nendran bananas. Slice them into small, uniform pieces. The smaller they are, the crispier they'll get. Now, a little secret for that perfect color and crunch: turmeric powder. Add about a teaspoon of turmeric, cover with water, and give them a good wash. This removes excess starch, which is key. Drain them, transfer them to a plate, and let them dry out completely. Patience is a virtue here. While the Nendran is drying, let's make our aromatic coating. In a blender, combine half a cup of roasted rice, a quarter cup of sugar, and 3 cardamom pods. Grind this until you have a beautiful fine powder. The roasted rice gives it a lovely nutty flavor, and the cardamom adds that unmistakable aroma. Set it aside. Now, for the main event, heat up your oil until it's nice and hot. Add your dried Nendran pieces and fry them well until they are deep golden brown and wonderfully crisp. Listen for that crunch. Once done, pull them out and place them on a paper towel. In a separate pan, melt half a cup of jaggery with about a 1/3 cup of water. Stir it constantly until it completely dissolves and caramelizes into a thick, syrupy glaze. This is your glue. Immediately add those crispy Nendran bites and mix quickly to coat every piece. Now, the magic finish. Turn the heat to low and sprinkle in all of that fragrant, nutty rice powder we made earlier. Give it a final, vigorous mix until the Nendran is no longer sticky and is beautifully coated in that sweet white powder. And there you have it. Crispy, chewy, sweet, and perfectly spiced Nendran candy. These are the perfect homemade treat. Give them a try and let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing recipes.